Hello Earth, welcome to episode 15 of season 3 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go check out github.com/autocodenl/cell. Link is in the description. So, another short session, but short is better than nothing. So we're going to continue where we left off, which is fixing the upload. The upload was not working. So I want to understand why is that. I have way too many logs here, but it's okay. Let's do the upload on a new. I really like this one, but let's move on to a new one. Ocean, always the ocean. Yes, we finally find the problem. Yeah, so let's get something to drink. So the issue is in the parsing, right? Do we know the format here? Let's log the response, right? Log, yes. Nope. The problem with the on change is that it's not resetting, so let's fix that right now. Good. Why didn't I do that yesterday? I thought I did. Did I not? Yeah, I'm trying to think when I would remove these things, because I need to wait, right? Do I need to wait for Ajax to complete to remove the file? Great. All right. Nice. It worked. Okay. Okay, now why is it not printing it? Here. It's a CSV, okay. I don't like when this happens. Why is it happening again? CSV. So yeah, I'm just a bit burned out. I'm coding too much lately. It's an empty thing. Why would it be empty? See why I need the intermediate results all the time? It's just by the way, is it yeah, there's data there. Okay, good. See how much time it takes when you don't have the intermediate results? Did I base 64 encoded? Yeah, it's okay. It would be, how do I do the base 64? I don't think this is okay. All right. I want to do it like this. Brilliant. Good advice here. I'm going with the corner cases. What did it say? Didn't throw, but no throws. Let's have the try catch. Good. In any case, I can do it like this. If result is, or I can do it like this. If cell just two paths of results length, there's nothing to do. Or it's like an empty file. How about parse is the other one? Okay, never mind. Oh, they call it not parsed. Parse is a horrible name. It's basically name and type. Would be metadata. All right. Maybe now. It's just resolved. Okay. What did I break? 213. Ah, because I'm passing a buffer. Yep, same thing. Well, that doesn't look good at all. Am I really encoding it? Why am I taking so long to do something so simple? Ah, I need to strip the first. I think that will work. When in doubt, look at the data. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Okay, we're almost there. My heart quickens a bit when I see the editor with data. And I can do this, although it's still slow. But this is quite something. Not bad at all. I need shortcuts to go to the end or something, but nice. All right. Fix the upload is done. But now I need to improve how we show the dialog entries here, because this is a mess. So there has to be a way to say, here I put a file. Okay, we have 5 minutes to think this over. Problem. We make a call that indirectly that makes calls to put. For example, upload. We want to see the top level of the call, not the expansion. The expansion could be expanded if we wanted. So this means that upload should be a call. A system level call. A cell level call. That makes its own call to put, and it expands. It then calls put as part of its internal process. It can rely on JS for parsing, but at least the mechanism of updating the dialog and other parts should be internal. Okay, then we're going to do that for sure. And that's important because we don't want a mess here, and I don't want to pre-process this in the editor. I think, no, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna think about that one, but that's good because that also gets, that's perhaps even better than just showing diffs. You see the expansion of each call you make if you want. But at some point, I guess you still want to see a diff, right? Although it would be cool to see diffs. Perhaps the diff viewing can be another call. You pass two different moments calls, and you get the diff in the middle. Diff can be a call. Okay, I wasn't expecting to come up with something so deep. Well, deep for my standards, right? Doesn't have to be deep for yours. But the diff can actually be a call, a system call. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.